You should adjust star of the machine. We can adjust desired form of puree by placing washer between two stars. There is no need to place washer if you desire puree without grain. You should place washer if you desire grain. There are three kinds of washer, such as thin, moderate, and thick. You should select washer depending on size of puree. You can use thick washer if you desire huge grains. We switch on circuit breaker after placing seed or product into tank and start the machine. We can turn off machine after completing drawing operation and clean our machine.